The open-weight AI revolution just delivered a fatal blow to the closed-source giants. What you are looking at is the brand-new Qwen 3.5 Plus model running inside the Eigent AI multi-agent framework, and I am about to show you a demonstration that will absolutely blow your mind. I uploaded a standard 2D video clip from a Spring Festival Gala performance and gave Qwen a single, highly complex prompt. Analyze this video frame by frame, understand the robot movements, the style, and the setting, and then code a completely playable single-file 3D interactive HTML game using Three.js. Now watch the Agentic by design architecture take over. Qwen doesn't just try to spit out code and fail, it autonomously splits this massive prompt into delegable tasks. It spins up a multimodal vision agent and a developer agent. Right now, the vision agent is actively opening terminal toolkits and extracting the video frame by frame at specific intervals. It is acting as a digital set of eyes, analyzing the visual aesthetics, the lighting, the martial arts choreography, and isolating the exact RGB hex codes of the robot's armor. It is doing all of this without me holding its hand. Once the multimodal agent finishes, it compiles its findings into a ridiculously detailed markdown report. It breaks down the human performers, the humanoid robots, the specific kung fu stances, and the exact stage design. It then seamlessly hands this intelligence report over to the developer agent. The developer agent takes this pure data and starts writing the Three.js logic. It is calculating 3D spatial environments, setting up the lighting, and programming the keyboard movement controls. And here is the final result. From a simple 2D video file, Qwen 3.5 engineered a fully functional, interactive 3D web game in minutes. Look at the UI. We have functional WASD movement controls, combat modes, and a live scoreboard. The 3D models perfectly reflect the robots from the original video. It even coded a combo multiplier system for the attacks. The physics work, the collision detection is flawless, and it built this entire thing in a single HTML file. The era of AI just being a text assistant is over. We are now in the era of autonomous software engineers. But let me stop you right there. Watching AI build games is cool, but if you aren't using these exact agentic workflows to build a business, you are leaving life-changing money on the table. That is why I created the AI Money Forge. We are currently at 148 hardcore members and growing rapidly every single day. Inside, I am handing you my private, battle-tested AI blueprints. If I package these automation workflows, the make.com templates, and the agency scaling secrets into a masterclass, it would easily be valued at over $2,997. But right now, you get access to all of it inside the Forge. We are building real automated empires. Click the link in the description and secure your spot immediately before I raise the price. Alright, let's look at the absolute monster powering that demo. Qwen 3.5. Alibaba Cloud just dropped this, and they are calling it the open weight revolution. Look at this model family lineup. They didn't just release one model, they dropped an entire ecosystem. You have the flagship 307 billion parameter behemoth that is trading blows with the absolute best in the world. But you also get the hyper-efficient Qwen 3.5 Flash for rapid tasks and a dedicated Coder Next model specifically fine-tuned to destroy coding benchmarks. And because it's under the Apache 2.0 license, you can run these locally. You actually own the infrastructure. Under the hood, the architecture is terrifyingly advanced. They are using a hybrid mixture of experts, native vision language fusion, and they've introduced thinking in fast modes, giving you that deep chain-of-thought reasoning we've seen in closed models, but completely open weight. And the benchmarks, this is where OpenAI needs to panic. Qwen 3.5 is outright claiming to match or exceed GPT 5.2 and Claude Opus 4.5 on 80% of evaluated benchmarks. Look at the SWE-bench verified score. It is beating GPT 5.2 in real-world software engineering. But here's the final nail in the coffin. The cost. Look at this pricing breakdown. Qwen 3.5 Flash is 10 cents per million input tokens. Even the massive 307 billion model is a fraction of the cost of its competitors. They are offering frontier-class intelligence at up to 90% cheaper than the closed-source giants. In a head-to-head matchup, Qwen wins on cost, it wins on open-weight deployability, and it's taking the crown for native agentic vision. The landscape has completely shifted today. If you want to learn how to deploy these models and actually profit from them, click that link to join the AI Money Forge. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.